What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And today, like I said, another busy day. But I'm excited, man, cause y'all see by the title, I got another one. Y'all like, Jay done bought another one. I got another one, man. I got another one to the collection, man. I had ordered that. I told y'all a few vlogs back. I like, man, I had ordered me another piece. So, man, it coming in today. But first, I got to head over to Lawless, man. We got to help my bro Jesse out with some. I got to help him handle some business out right quick on the computer. So we're going to head to Lawless. Then I hope by that time I'll be getting that call, man. But like I said, I got the new piece coming. I'm going to show y'all what it is. But I also thought I could talk about how you go about purchasing a firearm online, just in case people curious about the process or whatever. It's not really complex, but some people might be curious like I was at first. So that's what we got planned on the agenda, man. So I'm gonna turn y'all back on when we leaving Lawless, or when we get to Lawless or whatever. I'm gonna turn y'all back on, but just stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. So like I told y'all, man, I'm just now about to leave Lawless. I'm helping my bro Jesse out. Got the call. The new piece is in. So like I said, I'm gonna show y'all, of course. But I'm telling y'all, like, man, it'd be a good video to talk about how you go about doing this stuff too, cause some people might be confused as to how you go about it and everything. So first I'm gonna go grab the piece, and when we get back to the house, I'm gonna show y'all how you go through buying online, purchase a firearm online, all this stuff. So y'all stay tuned, we'll catch y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, we're checking in. So look, down here about to pick my firearm up. Like I said, I'm gonna show y'all the process and all that. You ordering online and all that, but man, y'all know I come here all the time. Like, they got a nice little inventory located in Monroe, Georgia, my hometown. All right, so look, I get back and boom, pack it from Summit too. So we got a lot of boxes. Then I bought this, man. I bought this bag of stuff while I was up there in the shop too. So y'all know, man, I go in there, I got to get something extra. So I was getting a 12 gauge. I got some 12 gauge ammo and some mags, man. I hope they work with my bullpup. So it's an AR style. It just don't have the AR slide like the Panzers. The Panzers got the AR slide on the back right here, so you can chamber. Let me bring y'all up. You can chamber around right here like an AR, or right there, either or. But I'm telling you, these the longest mags, boy, I ever seen. I ain't even know, man. I ain't even know they had no mags this long for these. This a 19 round mag. That bad boy is ginormous, as the kid would say. That thing ginormous, boy. So I hope they work. If they don't, we're gonna take it back. And then I got these, and I got some ammo, man, 12 gauge ammo. So I got this. So obviously y'all know what probably in the box got an idea. Y'all know it's some chamber in 7.62. But I got some old Remingtons. That's all they had. Double lock, buck. We got these slugs, Winchester, 1600 round feet per second. So these 1 ounce, these bad boys should hit. I want to try them. I want 2 boxes of them. But I need to break the bullpup in, man. So, and I got these. I think they slugs too. Just different brand, man. I was just trying them out. I like, give me whatever I can get. So I got 2 of each brand, you know. I like some of them ain't heavy like that, some of them is. So I just want to try them out. So I hope the mags work. But so y'all see the Century, man. Let's go ahead and get to the box, man. Y'all see. Some of y'all that watch every day probably already know what this is. So open it up. Bam! Boy, I finally got one, man. I finally got me one, y'all. Boy, I got that micro Draco. I finally got one, man. Let me take this off. Let me take the tag off. Man, I've been wanting these things like unicorns for real now. These things is like unicorns, man. I finally got one. And it's so crazy how small it is. Like, seeing it on videos just don't do it justice, man. This thing here is small, like it's tiny. I can see why people say it's so loud, but I finally got one, man. I wanted one of these for the collection, man. I finally got it. So we got that micro Draco thing. I will be buying some more mags for it. Some steel mags. I love these AKs and AK pistols with the steel mag look, the classic look. So I will be getting them. I'm gonna see how this thing run. They got it oiled up real good. Ooh, that's tight. And I caught it for about the best price you gonna get it for. I can't say that. These thing here is, you into firearms, then you know they high even now. I mean, but versus what they used to cost. But I'm a fire a couple through here, not on the vlog or whatever. But I'm gonna talk about the process too. So let me show y'all what I got in here. This for this box here for R&B. I told y'all the other day. I said, man, I got some packaging coming for R&B. Some parts, I should say. So this R&B, I'll show y'all what it is. R&B about to go into surgery. Man, holding the camera and opening box, boy. Alright. So, boom. That's what we got right there for R&B. So, I've been needing them, man. Y'all know. I was thinking about it. Let me put the receipt right there. I was thinking about it. I said, when I get that new camshaft put in there, y'all know I'm gonna be turned up, and the thing gonna be pretty fast. So I ain't playing around on the wheel without some good love and some good studs, man. So we got these. These gonna go in R&B, go in the rear end. Y'all know I already got modes of axles in there. So these for the back, man. So have a peace of mind right there. So I got a lot of stuff. Put them right there. But while we here, go ahead and talk about the process of buying a firearm online, because I did purchase that online. So basically, if you ever curious on as to what you do, or do they ship it straight to your house or whatever, they actually don't. They don't ship to a house. You got to ship to an authorized dealer, authorized firearm dealer. Which on most, I'm gonna say on most sites, man, they give you a list and they have every shop that is an authorized firearm dealer across the United States, man. They mostly every shop from small to big. So you can literally, you go ahead and purchase the firearm of your choice or whatever. You go ahead and spend the money, purchase it or whatever. Type your info in so they know the customer info. Use your name just as it is on your license and all of that stuff, man. Don't, like, I go by my middle name, whatever, but use your name just as it is on your license and stuff. For the customer information, and you just go through like normal. Just, you know, you buy, process your payment and all of that, and then they ship the firearm out to your dealer, and your dealer will contact you when your firearm is there. So once you arrive, you go through the normal process as if you were buying a firearm. So, you know, you just fill out your background check, Now, as long as that clean and everything, come back and you're free to go. They give you a firearm and that's it. It's literally that simple. So if you want to buy a firearm off of any website, man, that's all you got to do. You know, you just have your store that's an authorized dealer. Have your store you can pick up at. I recommend a good reputable store. But if they're a dealer, they're a dealer as long as they got their license. But like I said, you know, send it to a store that's close by and you can just pick your firearm up, man. I mean, it's just that simple. So for more like hard to find firearms and guns, that's what you got to do. You got most of them you're going to order offline, call like this Draco, this micro, man. You ain't going to no shop too tough and find this. I go into a lot of gun stores, man, cause I just like to look too. I like to see what different stores have in stock. So you ain't seeing this too tough. You ain't about to see this too tough, man. No gun store like. So you know, it is what it is. But yeah, man, that's the pickup. Like I said, I was gonna show y'all that. I told y'all I had y'all that video coming and all that, man. I'm probably gonna fire this thing. If you're on my Facebook, man, you probably catch little stuff in my story and all that stuff. But you know, other than that, that's pretty much it, man. We got everything accomplished that we needed to accomplish on when it helped Jesse out. Like I said, we got a lot of more content coming, man, collabs and stuff. So I hope y'all staying tuned in and all of that, man. Enjoying the vlogs and stuff. So I'm about to put all this stuff up. Hopefully get ready to go drop R&B off soon. I'm finna clean that racing gear can out so I have a new target since I done emptied one of them already, emptied one of the pills, and I could throw the other one away. So, and I'm finna shoot one single off of the Draco to see how loud it is without the ear pro first. And then from that point on, I have ear pro. But I got to see in real world. I want to see how loud this thing is. So, yeah, man, that's it, y'all. I appreciate y'all. I'm going to catch y'all later. BCG, we out.